What's up guys? This is Mr. Mojo speaking, and today I'm gonna give you some free Photoshop tips. You ready? Let's go! Today I'm gonna show you how to Photoshop a face onto another body. We have Robert De Niro and we have The Rock. We're gonna put Robert De Niro's head onto The Rock's body. Let's go to Lasso. Right mouse button, choose the first one. Go to Robert De Niro's head and try to make a circle. Something like this. If you can do better, perfect. Connect it. Go to Edit, Copy. Go to The Rock. Again, Edit, Paste. Move tool. And that's it. So sub, like, share. Each time I'm gonna post something different. I hope you learned something, yeah? So have a nice day, guys.